Hello. If you remember last time when I was cleaning my flowers to do my hand tie, there were so many small pieces, broken one, which I kept it, and I thought we always can reuse it. Today is the best day for that because I was cleaning my flowers again and I come across with so many broken one or so many small pieces which I thought I need to use it. But I thought if I bring a few vases, which I have it all at home, and I can use those vases with the different height and different shape, then I can put my flowers in. So you can see that you can use absolutely every pieces of your flowers to reuse. So I even didn't clean them. I thought I will do it all with you, then you understand from the beginning what needs to be done, even very, very small pieces like this. First, clean them, take all the dead leaf off, and make it completely separate. I finished cleaning my flowers, those little pieces, and I'm going to put them in a vase and show you how easy and quickly can be done with all the broken flowers that you have. I'm going through my tulips first. More or less they are the same length. I'm going to put them, place them in one vase. And I have one shorter one, maybe I will put it in here. Then I have the lisianthus, and I would like to put them all together. So again, I'll just make them like a little bunch. And as I have a lot of vases and a lot of different flowers, I prefer to put at each vase only one type of flowers. Those ones are a bit shorter, so I will put to the side and use it in another vase. Okay, cut them the same length, and maybe this one here. Then I have this greater one, which they are already there. And I'm going to make it half. Half in this vase and half with my tulip, but only one side of the vase. Then I have very, very small pieces of campanula and lisianthus, a very short one. I will put those one together in this glass vase. I have to put more water in there. Then now I have these vases ready. As you see, you can only put one stem of flowers in one vase, bud vase. You don't need to have a bunch. Then I have this shorter one, which I will put one in here. And one in there. I need to have a little bit of balance, so I am going to cut another type of flowers and put it in here. So I won't take short, so don't cut it, and I'll keep it as it is. And I will add to my vase in here. So I have a little bit of balance of the height. Of course, the table, if you don't have a big table, you can just put your flowers on each side of the table. I'm going now to make a little video for you to see how I placed my vases on the table, then you will get a better idea. While I was doing my videos, when we had to close our shop and to do the lockdown, and I thought I'll do my meditation, but I will share it with you, my flower friends. I received a few email and phone calls to say they really like to do while I'm making my flowers. Then suddenly I thought, okay, when I do the demonstration, maybe if anybody likes, you can email me, send me your comment, and give me your email address or WhatsApp or any social media you like, and we can share. Then maybe what I can do is to prepare your flowers, the flowers which I want to make it on that day, to prepare it for you, post it to you, and then we can organize with each other, of course. Then we can do a video call privately, one-to-one. And when you have your flowers in your kitchen table or in your garden, then we will have a time, either by WhatsApp or Zoom or any other electronic device. We can see each other, and I will go through it with you, how to put your flowers together, and that will be maybe a good way to go forward. But please let me know your comment and your idea, what you like and you don't like, or you would like something extra to be done from me, and of course we will share it together. I'm going now to have a little video for you to see how I put my vases here. And you can see Toby is joining us for the afternoon tea as well. Okay, that is very easy and very simple to use all your spare flowers, short one, broken one, but they are still beautiful. But you just need to know what sort of vase you need to use for that particular type of flowers and the height. That's all, it's important. Okay, Toby, I think we can say goodbye and enjoy your time staying at home. Keep safe until next round. Ciao.